The Whoop 5.0 and Garmin Forerunner 265 offer different fitness experiences. Whoop provides 24/7 tracking focused on recovery and sleep with no screen or distractions. It delivers detailed strain and recovery scores, but require a monthly subscription. The Forerunner 265 is a mid-range GPS watch with an AMOLED display, training readiness, heart rate tracking, and advanced running metrics. It also supports offline music and doesn't require a subscription. Whoop wins for recovery based athletes and those who prioritize data driven rest. The Forerunner 265 is better for runners and multi sport athletes who want accurate GPS, real time stats, and performance metrics on their wrist. Choose Whoop for recovery, Garmin for active training insights.